Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another South Indian dish. This one is eggplant curry, Kerala style. And I've been really loving exploring the South Indian cuisine more because the Indian cuisine is quite rich, and I really just love exploring and finding out more about it every time I cook it. So this one is super quick, super easy. It has nice flavors, it's spicy, it's creamy, and it comes together in little time. So let's show you guys how to make this Kerala style eggplant curry. Here we have about 2 medium eggplants that we've cut into small big pieces. Here we have 2 medium tomatoes that we've blended, 2 finely chopped medium onions, a tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and here we have 2 tablespoons each regular oil and coconut oil. 2 chilies, a handful of curry leaves. Here we have half a teaspoon mustard seeds and half a teaspoon cumin seeds, and about 2 red dried chilies for flavor. And for the spices, here we have half a teaspoon each garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, and quarter teaspoon turmeric, and of course salt and pepper, and a cup of coconut milk and some water. So our first step is on medium heat. We're just going to put some oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. So once it has heated up a little, and we use regular oil for this, we're going to add the eggplants and we're going to saute them for a bit. And we're going to keep sauteing them until they get this nice golden brown color. So as you can see, it's nice and golden brown. Now we're going to take them off the heat, and we're going to continue cooking our eggplants since we're cooking them in batches. So we've sauteed all of our eggplant, and here is what it looks like, nice and golden brown. So now in the same pan, we're going to just add the coconut oil. And we'll wait for it to heat up a little bit. So once the coconut oil has heated up, now we're going to add the red dried chilies, the cumin seeds, and the mustard seeds. And we're going to saute those. So we've done this multiple times, and it's quite known that you're going to saute them until you start to hear those popping sounds, and that's when you know that you're ready to move to the next step. So you can hear the popping sound. Now we're going to add the curry leaves, and we're going to saute those as well. So after a few minutes of sauteing the curry leaves, now we're going to add the onion. So we're going to saute the onions until they turn nice and transparent, and it already smells amazing with the coconut oil and the spices. Now we're going to add the chilies. And we're just going to keep sauteing them. So once the onion has turned transparent, now we're going to add the ginger garlic paste. And we're going to saute it until you don't smell that raw, pungent garlic smell anymore. So I don't smell that raw garlic smell anymore, and now we're going to add the spices and salt and pepper. And we're going to saute those. You need to just lightly saute them without burning the spices. And now we're going to add salt and pepper. Now we're also going to be adding in the pepper. Now we're going to saute the salt and pepper with the spices, and then we're going to add in the tomatoes. So now we're going to add in the tomatoes, and we're going to saute those. So we're going to saute the tomatoes until you see the oil separate from them and start to float to the surface. So I can see the oil start to float to the surface. Now we're going to add in the eggplant. and we're going to saute those in. So we've tried to coat the eggplant with the masala as much as possible. Now we're going to add in the water and give it a gentle stir. So once it starts to boil, we're going to add in the coconut milk and stir it gently. So now we're going to cover it and let it cook from medium to low heat for 20 to 25 minutes or until the eggplants cook. And for the gravy, the consistency would depend on your preference. So I'm going to let it cook and get back with you guys once it's cooked. So this is what it looks like. It looks so nice. The gravy looks nice and thick. It smells amazing, so I can't wait to try it. So you can serve it however you want alongside some chapati. I think that would be really good, but this time around I chose to serve it with some rice. The flavors are amazing together. You get that nice little kick of spice, and then you also have that creaminess from the coconut milk. You can taste the coconut. You get textures from the eggplant, and then everything is just really well flavored. It all works really great together, so I highly recommend making it because it's also super quick and easy. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on my social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!